for 12.2 hands-on, we are going to start talking about the area of triangles. So you're going to get a paper from the manipulation station that will look like this. It will have a rectangle and a parallelogram on it. So what you need to do is you just need to cut out the rectangle, cut out the parallelogram, clean up your scraps. Again, I am not your maid, but you act like it, but I'm not. Okay, so clean up your stuff. So cut those out. Now you have your rectangle, you have your parallelogram. So last time you were trying to make a cut and move it. This time you get to make one cut, not cut, one cut. Still are making one cut. But this time you want to make two equivalent triangles. So when you stack the triangles on top of each other, they would be exactly the same. So you're trying to make one cut. It can be, straight up and down. It can be diagonal. It can be however you want, but it can only be one cut. So I would maybe think about it first. Try folding it. What's going to make two equal triangles so that when you cut it, it's going to make a triangle. That's right. Like I'm not just like if I cut off right here. Yes, that made a triangle, but this did not. I'm trying to make one cut, and it's going to turn my shape into two of the exact same triangle. So when I cut this, I'm going to end up with two triangles that I can then stack on top of each other, and they would look exactly the same, right? I might have to turn one triangle or flip it or something, but they should be able to go right on top of each other and stack. One cut, two equal triangles, stack on top of each other. So when you've done that, come and show me. So think about it before you just start cutting, okay? Right? This is not a triangle. It is not going to stack on top of it and make two triangles. So yeah, that's a triangle. That's not. One cut, two of the same triangles. If you mess up, go grab another paper and maybe think about, okay, what did I do wrong if you have to go get another paper? Make sure you clean up after yourselves and come and show me to get that checked off when you have your two equal triangles. So how can a rectangle and a parallelogram turn into two of the same exact triangle?